Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Clipchamp and creating a project with the correct aspect ratio so your cut fits the platform. Import your media now by dragging files into the library, because keeping all assets visible speeds decisions. Once imported, drag the clip to the timeline and zoom in for frame-level control. This makes your cuts precise. Make sure to play the clip and mark rough in slash-out points with the spacebar, since those anchors guide the fine trimming that comes next. Now you focus on exact cuts. Move the playhead to a chosen frame and press split to divide the clip. That lets you remove unwanted segments without re-recording. Once a segment is removed, use Ripple Delete to automatically close gaps, which preserves sync. For finesse, drag clip edges to trim or nudge the clip one frame at a time with arrow keys. This prevents jump cuts. Also drop markers on beats or speech to align cuts, because rhythm anchors viewer attention. Finish by smoothing any remaining roughness. Add short transitions or a quick crossfade and adjust audio ducking so dialogue remains clear. Once you're happy, choose export settings that match your target: resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. This avoids quality loss. If the export shows glitches, try clearing Clipchamp's cache or restarting the app and re-import the original file. Corrupted cache or a temporary decode error often causes stuttering. Finally, preview the exported file to confirm timing and audio fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.